Hello, my name's Dara, and today we're going to be making a graffiti sign to hang on your bedroom door. For this craft you will need a pencil, a rubber, coloured card, white card, thick cardboard, scissors, coloured felt tips, a black marker pen and glue. So let's get making. First, using your pencil, write out your personalised bedroom sign in white card. I'm making a sign for Irani from our story Awesome Irani, but you can write your own name. Draw around each letter to create 3D bubble writing. Make sure you draw the bubbles nice and big so the letters overlap. When you're happy, outline your writing with black marker pen and add a shadow onto the right side of your letters to create a cool 3D effect. Rub out your pencil marks. Now cut out your writing, leaving about a ½ centimeter of card around your writing. This will help it to pop. Now colour in your letters using brightly coloured felt tips, using a different colour for each letter. Lay your 3D writing onto a piece of coloured card and again roughly draw around your writing, leaving about a 1 centimeter border. And cut this out. Now get your thick cardboard, cut it into small squares and stick a piece of cardboard between each coloured layer to make your sign 3D. Now repeat this process with as many layers as you like. I've used explosions and bubble shapes, but you can use whatever colour and shapes you like. All done and ready to hang on your bedroom door. Brilliant! Your graffiti sign is now all finished and ready to hang on your bedroom door. Thank you and goodbye.